During this lesson, we are going to work on order of operations, also known as BODMAS. Complete this worksheet from beginning to end, following the instructions given before each question. This will help you to answer any sum with mixed operations without using the BODMAS rule. Question 1. If there is only plus and minus, do the sum from left to right in the order it's been given. The example, we have 8 minus 6, which is 2. We still need to add 3 to get a final answer of 5. Get out your pen so we can complete B together. We have plus and minus, so we do it from left to right. 5 plus 21 is 26. Minus 7 is 19. Press pause to complete question 1 by yourself. Press play when you are ready for question 2. Question 2. If there is only times and divide in a sum, do the sum from left to right in the order it's been given. Let's look at A. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we still need to divide by 3 to give us a final answer of 8. Let's do C together. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times 5 is 15. Press pause to complete question 2 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers on this page. Question 3. Do each sum from left to right in the order it's been given. Remember, find the answers to the sums in the bracket separately. Let's look at A. We have 5 times 6 in a bracket, which is 30. Then we need to add 6 for our final answer of 36. Complete question B, C, and D by yourself. Press play when you are ready for question E. Question E. Now we have 30 minus the bracket, so we first write down 30 minus and we leave that. Then 4 times 3 in the bracket is 12, and 30 minus 12 is 18. Let's do H together. We have 40 minus, so we're going to write that down and leave it for now. The answer to our bracket is 4, and our final answer is 36. Press pause to complete the rest of question 3 by yourself. Question 4. Only plus and minus separates terms. Therefore, if there are no brackets, do the sum from left to right, leaving addition and subtraction until the end. If we look at A, we know that only plus and minus separates terms. Therefore, we have one term there and another term there. So working from left to right, 5 times 6 is 30, plus 6 to give us a final answer of 36. Let's do B together. Only pluses and minuses separates terms. Therefore, we have a term, and there we have a term. Now, 21 minus 7 is 3, plus 5 is 8. Press pause to complete C and D by yourself. Question E. Again, only plus and minus separates terms, so there's our minus. We have one term there and another term there. So now we have to work from left to right. We write down 20 minus. 2 times 9 is 18. And our final answer is 2. Let's do H together. We have a term separated by minus sign, and there's our next term. So we work from left to right. 30 minus 4 times 6 is 24, and our final answer is 6. Use what you have learned to complete the rest of question 4 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark all your answers on this page. Question 5. If there are no brackets, do the sum from left to right, leaving the addition and the subtraction right until the end. For our example, we have a plus sign there which separates our two terms. So we have 5 times 3 plus 6 times 2. It's 15, write down our plus, 6 times 2 is 12, and we add up to get 27. Let's do C together. We have a minus sign there which separates our two terms, which are there and there. 8 times 3 is 24, minus 14, and our final answer is 10. Press pause to complete B by yourself. Question E. Again, we have a minus sign. 5 times 4, and there's our next term. 5 times 4 is 20, minus 6 divided by 2 is 3, and our final answer is 17. Press pause to complete the rest of question 5 by yourself. Question 6. Again, if there are no brackets, leave the addition and subtraction right until the end. When you are only left with addition and subtraction, do the sum from left to right. So, here we have a plus and a minus sign which are separating our terms. One term, there's our next term, and there's our next term. We work from left to right. We're going to leave our addition for now, so we write down 2 plus. Then 3 times 6 is 18. Then we still need to minus 7. Now we are only left with addition and subtraction. So we work from left to right. 2 plus 18 is 20. Minus 7 is 13. Press pause to complete questions B and C by yourself. Question E. We have a term separated by minus, a term and a term. Now 5 times 4 is 20, minus 6 plus 2. Working from left to right, 20 minus 6 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Press pause to complete the rest of question 6 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers. Question 7. Let's look at our example. Remember, brackets mean doing these separately, and we must leave our addition and subtraction right until the end. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then we write down the rest of our sum, times 6 minus 7. There we have a term and there we have a term. We're going to leave our subtraction. 5 times 6 is 30, minus 7, which we write down, is 23. Get out your pens and let's do B together. We're going to do the bracket first, which is 7. Then we write down the rest of the sum from left to right. Then we must do the multiplication and leave our subtraction till the end. So we have 14 minus 5, and then the answer is 9. Press pause to complete question C by yourself. Question E. Now, we have 6 plus 3 times a bracket. So we're going to leave everything except for our bracket. So we write down 6 plus 3 times. We get our answer to our bracket, which is 8. Now we have two terms separated by our plus sign. We have 6 plus, the answer to 3 times 8 is 24, and 6 plus 24 is 30. Let's do G together. We have 20 minus 3 times the answer to our bracket, which is 3. We're going to leave our 20 minus. 3 times 3 is 9, and 20 minus 9 is 11. Press pause to complete the rest of question 7 by yourself. Question 8. Let's do H together. We're going to leave our addition and subtraction till the end. So we have 20 separated by addition sign. Then we have all of that. Then a minus sign. And then 5. So working from left to right. 20 plus 4 times 8 plus 2 in the bracket is 10 minus 5. Then we have 3 terms again. So we have 20 plus 4 times 10 is 40 minus 5. We're left with addition and subtraction, which is correct. 20 plus 40 is 60, minus 5 is 55. Use what you have learned to complete the rest of question 8 by yourself. When you are done, use the memo to mark your answers.